Look at this. This is the kitchen.
What? This fruit.
Yeah, let's go.
This real fruit.
Yeah, if you want to speak here, camera on.
Okay.
What are you doing there?
We're in a Navy ship.
What this ship called?
Huh?
What is this ship name?
I think let me check. It's called Destroyer HMAS Vampire.
Let's go out that way.
No, this is the structure. These are all the structures.
Look at this, all the maps.
That's how they made it, I think.
Yeah, that's the map or design.
There's events. Look at that.
Let's go. We can go up.
Is that a cannon?
Yeah. Yes.
It's like
You know that we saw the empty one downstairs? They
Yeah.
put in here in somewhere from there and they just like explode. Yeah, keep walking. No.
we're not having this fun right now, but we're having more fun. Oh, we can't go on.
That way, that way.
The helicopters are markings on the deck indicate
This way. Yeah, slowly, slowly.
twin wolfers. There's a twin wolfers.
You got the paper? Don't miss it. Just keep holding. It's gonna fly.
Should we go below deck after we explore all this?
No, keep going. Did you like it? Good, come.
Look at all the other ships they have.
So many.
As I told you, this is a Navy ship.
Yeah.
Don't stop the recording, please. Should we go more up?
Yeah. What is that? It's like a danger.
Yeah, it's dangerous. Look at that. We can go up.
Yeah.
We can go up there. We're going to go so high. Whoa! We're going to go so high. It's so fun. for those spider webs and hair.
Yeah, too old, that's why.
I feel like this Navy ship is really old. Seeing all the dust and spider webs and all the cracks and
Yeah, let's go, let's go.
it should be really old.
That's how they navigate the ship from here, Simon. Whoever is the driver, they sit here and they navigate.
This is so cool. Let's get up.
Stare. It's gonna go down from here. This way.
Oh! Lots of stairs.
Now we can go down.
Let's look at this. Look inside. That is cool.
Come.
Mommy, put your camera on that. Looks so cool. And move it around. Meow, meow, meow. See? Exploring this Navy ship, very old Navy ship, is really cool.
We can go down that way.
Yeah, let's go. I want to hop on these. I want to go on the and see the ones that are there. Oh,
That's the door. Look at this.
wow.
That's a vampire. It's a really good name.
Wait, look at the inside. Look at that. Put your phone.
All the wires.
Yeah. We're going down and we might.
Yeah, let's go.
We're going on. That was amazing, don't you think?
See what I've.
Do we still have time to explore another
你可以，
one?
咱们得干点科东西。
Huh?
Yeah, maybe different one, but we can go inside and have a look. We keep going this way.
Oh my god. No! It's really hard.
Good, glad you enjoyed it.
This way. Okay. Look at this dolphin.
Yeah, bats and dolphin use. Wow. Torpedoes.
Так, прекрати.
Look at that.
Let's go. This way. This way. Sanu.
I'm so interested in this now.
So you can become a Navy officer and drive Navy ship. Yeah?
No.
It's really good.
Is Navy more like
They're water person, like they stay in the sea. They submarines, they There's
It's like
twin.
Navy, more like defense. More.
It's a defense. It's part of defense. Navy,
Is it
Air
like-
Force, and the Army.
It's like Navy stronger than Army.
They're all same. Let's go.
Are they all the same?
Yeah, they are all the same. This way. This way.
This the Navy ship.
What do you want to say at the end?
Is the Navy ship?
Keep walking and say here. Yeah.
This exploration was really good.
Did you like it?
Yeah, it was so good.
Mm.